Well, we finally got a fridge. Unfortunately, it took us a little while, but we're gonna share with you guys how we got it.
Come follow our journey. Yeehaw!
Son of a bitch.
Manhattan Beach, and the zip code 90266. All right, getting our free fridge. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, sweet. Well, Paul, yeah, I'm gonna save your phone number and then we'll MapQuest this and we'll head over there today.
Yeah, free fridge. We just got a free fridge. We're taking it down for a little ride, introducing it to the town.
Everybody to the Wild Wild West, a state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Like a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass him be. The state where you never find a dance floor empty and pimp speed. On a mission for them greens. Lean, mean, money making machines, serving fiends. I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes.
Fridge made it here, but that's only half the journey.
Now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining, looking like I'm Rob Liberace. It's all good from Diego to the Bay. Your city is the bomb if your city making pain. Throw up a finger if you feel the same way. Straight putting it down for California, yeah.
So we come down to get our fridge. Somebody throws in the dumpster.
Even after putting a nice
Yeah, you saw the sign we put on there last night. And we wake up in the morning. Here we go, wake up.
This is a fridge attempt number 2.
Round number 2, and now I'm about to rope me a little fridge here.
The vacuum is not helping me out. Hello, this is Zach. I'm calling to pick up a fridge from Morgan's apartment.
It's Westside, so you know the road will bow down to no man. Say what you say, but give me that bomb beat from Dre. Let me serenade the streets of LA. From Oakland to Sacktown, the Bay Area and back down. Cali is where they put they Mac down. Give me love. South Central. That's right.